Hello and welcome to my studio move video. It is now January. This is Editing Katie, and so I'm going to take you back to the beginning of December and show you what has been going on and how I have moved into this new space. So stick with me. It's probably going to be a little long one. See you soon. Alright, it's just waiting to be painted. Look at my new studio. Okay, we'll walk in. It's gonna be delivered soon. But look at this. Look at that bank of windows. Oh, I am so excited. Yes, look at this. My desk is gonna be here. It's actually pretty big. I'm gonna get in the corner and let you see. Okay, my desk is gonna be over in that corner, or this corner. I don't know, it's gonna be on one side. And then I'm gonna have a wall of like bookshelves and other units there, but look at my 3 windows. I'm super excited. Okay, you'll have already watched a whole bunch of stuff before this about the new studio space. So today is December 8th and I am packing up this space, getting ready to move into the new space once it arrives, which it should be hopefully this weekend or Monday at the latest. So that is my goal. So I have actually closed all retail, like in-person retail, down, and now it's just online only. I've taken the words off the window there. Yeah, so it doesn't say the studio anymore. So I've done all that, and I'm gonna flip you around and show you what I've done so far. All right, so when you come in, there was the pop-in and paint room. I've gotten it ready to go. It's pretty much cleaned out. Everything off the walls except for that. And all the retail stuff is now in the hallway and ready to pick for online orders. This room is, I'll have to sweep and mop, and these will move with me, these shelving, and this was borrowed from a friend, so those will go back. Same with those pieces down there. The rest of the furniture will go with me. Christmas tree will come down, this piece will go with me, this piece, that, and the classroom has completely been emptied out, cleaned, mopped, ready to go. And I've just been packing everything down into this room so that when I get ready to go, anybody that helps me will know exactly what to take out. I've got to get some boxes and then I'll be finished in there. And that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. Today, I've pretty much packed everything off my window ledge. Everything's packed up. I need to empty out my shelves. I've consolidated all of my studio plants, which will all go with me, all my little plant babies. And I'm emptied out most of this. Most of this will just, there's some Christmas gifts and some other stuff, but yeah, pretty much I've cleaned out cabinets. Everything's ready, really ready to go. I just have to have the space to put it in. So yeah, and I will see you on the next update. Under the picture. Building is here. I don't have a voice. Super excited. Please don't fall off that door. It's hard to watch this. Oh my goodness, it scares me to death. But the building is coming off. okay. I haven't really filmed much, but the walls are done, and we'll do the roof later. You know, I'm in a pretty easy climate, so I'm not really worried about it. Except for a little noise. But now I am, yeah, in a new space. And we gotta put some trim up there, and then we're gonna trim around the windows and put a windowsill. But yeah, right now I'm moving all the furniture around so I can unbox and get these chairs down off this big table and at least get back to work a little bit. I'm putting pegboard in here. But yeah, as soon as I get a little more organized, I will come back and show you what's going on, because I have, like, I'm having stations all around my space. And yeah, there's my little light. I have a light up there. We're gonna put a ceiling fan in there. Yeah, and my desk is over here. I've already got it set up. That's not staying. That's just there till I can figure out where it's going, which is probably, who knows, right now. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I'll come back and see you in a little bit. All right, end of the day, almost 5 o'clock. I'm pretty tired. I've pretty much got everything unpacked. Still have a few little things that need to be put places, and that over there needs to be worked out a little bit more. But other than that, I'm gonna figure out where that canvas goes, and then that shelf is completely full. But yeah, we got pretty good done. See you tomorrow. All right, this video has been about a month in the making total, because it is now January 6th. Yes, 7th. 6th. Saturday. And I am in my building. I have not finished the roof, but you know, like I said, I'm in a mild climate. I'm not gonna really worry about it right now until maybe summer. But yeah, so I'm in my space. It still needs a little tweaking, but you know, every space is gonna do that. And so yeah, I'm gonna film a full studio tour next week, as soon as I get everything, you know, pretty much judged how I want it. But yeah, so new studio space I've been working in it for a couple of days, so yeah, I'm super excited. Do need to add some pegboard there, or either I'm just going to put some cup hooks and put my coffee, because that's my little coffee tea area. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed the super long, well, really, I don't know how long it's gonna be because I haven't edited it yet, but yeah, here we go.